Hello. Here we're going to see a demo of the restore functionality of the XenDesktop Farm Migration Tool. Um, I've had a disaster, I've lost my farm, and I need to get my VMs up and running again on my new farm. Luckily, I have a backup that I took earlier using the tool. So I'm going to go ahead and run the tool. Select my disaster recovery tab, and this time I'm doing a restore. Going to pass in the CSV file that contains my backup. My target is on-prem. Give it the name of my DDC that I'm restoring to, and validate. The list of VMs that I'm going to import has been shown here after I load the CSV file. And I'm going to go ahead and hit process. Okay, so it's finished. It's ran the PowerShell to add all of the VMs back in. If I come back to my farm and refresh, all of my VMs have been added.